Hello. In this video, we will teach you how to use the idiom to buy a lemon. To buy a lemon means to buy something that looks good, but the quality is bad. The best example is when buying a car that always breaks down.
Wow, this car looks great, but it's expensive.
Well, it's our most expensive car. Trust me, you'll love it.
Okay, I'll take it. Hey Blake, can you pick me up? My car broke down.
Again? But it's a new car, and it was expensive.
I know. I think I bought a lemon.
You mean it's not good quality?
That's right. It's trash. Hurry up. Come pick me up.
Okay, buddy. I'm coming.
Here are some examples on how to use this expression. I bought a lemon. Oh, it's a lemon. The car looks great, but it's a lemon. Have you ever bought a lemon? Tell us in the comments below. See you next week.